Hi everyone, the Sports Guy Show is here, also known as Shaket Bartal. Part number 2 video, how easy it is to make a homemade cauliflower pizza. And delicious pizza, I should mention. So ladies and gentlemen, I took the pizza dough out of the oven and I didn't put any sauce on it. Then after I took it out of the oven, I let it cooled off. I put the pizza sauce, the kosher pizza sauce, which I'm using this pizza sauce. You can see it's not a lot of calories, only 3% of sugar, not a lot of sodium, so relatively healthy pizza sauce. You can find it in Walmart. I'm sure you can find it in a different store. I brought it to Walmart. So, after that, after you spread it, the pizza sauce, then come the fun part. I took shredded mozzarella cheese, low moisture, part skin mozzarella cheese, which I brought at Walmart. You can buy anywhere else you want. Then after I put the cheese all over the pizza, all over the pie, the cauliflower pie pizza. After that, here comes the fun part. And what you're looking at is broccoli. You're looking at pineapple. You're looking at mushrooms. You're looking at garlic, which I cut it very small. You're looking at cherry tomatoes. And you're looking at 3 types of peppers. There is red, orange, yellow peppers. I've put extra virgin olive oils. I've put Italian spice and pineapple. That was trying to say pineapple. And ladies and gentlemen, once it's going to come out on 450 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes in the oven, it's going to look and taste delicious, that you want to get a different kind of pizza from anywhere else, and instead you would want to make a cauliflower pizza. I will have a final short video when the pizza is ready, just to show you how a cauliflower pizza should look like.